Alright guys, so I've been working on the Dinah quilt pattern, and I've gotten quite a bit of it done so far. So let's go ahead and jump back into it, and I'll show you what we've got to do next. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take these half square triangles and I'm going to sew them together with my L blocks on either side. Same thing for the bottom, and I'm also going to sew together L, B, and L blocks for the middle portion. All right. So now we have these strips, and these strips, and we're going to be joining them all together to create this block. Okay guys, that's the shoe fly block done for our Dinah quilt. Okay, so I've got all of the blocks done. These are the other pieces, and then the large half square triangles are in the other room, which would be these pieces right here. And obviously I can't fit all of it on my table, but this is how it's arranged, and I'm going to start sewing these together as rows going across. All right. Alright guys, we've got all of our rows sewn together. Now we're going to join each of our rows. Let's get started. Alright guys, this is the finished Dinah quilt from the June 2023 Sew Sampler Kit. I think it came out really cute. I'm going to use it as a baby quilt for my cousin, and I think she's really going to like it. Thanks for joining me on the sew along. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!